Welcome to the installation of your Lexa X bindings onto your new Burton board. The board we're going to be installing the Burton Lexa X bindings onto is going to be the Dynamesis. I don't think I'm pronouncing that right.
Yes. Lift it. It's a women.
Yeah, you bought them, so you know better than I do.
Yeah, women collection for 2020.
Okay. So all we do is take these out of the box, and the first thing you're going to see is just the binding itself. We've got two plates. We've got bolts, flex bolts. I'm going to use the 6x16 millimeter, and then we're going to just basically install the plates on the binding. So the first thing that we ran into as a problem for me was, how do I get access to the area here that the plate will go onto underneath the stomp pad here? So there's two little pop-ups right in the back that you just unclick.
And
Here.
show how you will pop up.
So when I got these bindings out of the box, the biggest issue was, this is flexible, should I just push it somewhere? The answer is no. There are little clips right here, and here.
Yep.
They pop.
And it has like even little gaps for the finger, just to help you to pop up it quicker.
Little gap for the finger. So you just take it and pop. Can you hear that?
Yep.
And we just get all this stuff out of the way.
Here we go.
And that's what we get. And then it exposes where the plate goes. Like that.
And by the way, there's nothing about that in the internet, and as well, there's no, unfortunately, instruction. Thank you, Burton, for giving us.
Which is why we're making this video.
Exactly. Well, challenge accepted.
Okay, we're good on that. So now we just need to get these out.
So why are you using the silver ones rather than black?
They are 16 millimeters. The others are 13 millimeters. So we're gonna be using these because you know the rider, and she's not going in the park very much. There's no need to flex. But if she wipes out hard enough, the board will break, and so will the plate. All right. Come back to the plate. Okay.
Yeah.
Show it.
All right. We installed it at an angle that I prefer, and
Alright, we're just going to keep them pretty loose at first, and then we'll go really tight. Right there, plate back down, pad, and there you go.
all right.
That's one. Okay,
All right.
now we're going to go to the front one. So again,
And
snap, and voila, it's finished.
thank you.
Hope this helps. Thank you.
Thank you.